Hey health warriors, ready to revolutionize your diet? Let's dive into the top 5 superfoods that will power up your day. First up, meet kale, the leafy green superhero. Packed with vitamins A, K, and C and bursting with antioxidants, it's like a health shield for your body. Next, we have blueberries. These little blue dynamos are your brain's best friends. They boost brain health and keep your memory sharp. Imagine eating your way to a smarter you. Now let's talk about salmon. This fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for your heart and can even brighten your mood. Who knew happiness could be so delicious? Don't overlook quinoa. It's not just a trendy grain. It's a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's the perfect fuel for your muscles. Last, but definitely not least, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are massive when it comes to fiber and nutrients. Add them to your smoothie or yogurt and watch your energy levels soar. So there you have it, 5 superfoods that are game changers for your health. Start adding them to your meals and feel the difference. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.